Well, do you want to make your video from this to this? Then you need this thing. No, not this one. This haze machine. This is a portable haze machine from Ulanji. You can use this machine to make a dramatic environment. But first, let me show you the lighting setup that I use. This is just using the room light. And we're going to achieve this look. Let's start with the blank canvas. Pitch dark, right? Let's add a key light from the left side of mine. I have placed it roughly 45-degree angle from the camera to my left side. And now let's turn on the practical light. It is already looking good. To spice it up, I will use a edge light to motivate the practical light, and I'll turn on my computer screen. Now the final part. Let's use the fog machine to add some haze in the environment. After adding the haze, I have distributed it to the whole room using a cardboard. So here is the final look. When you use fog or haze, it will give a 3D look. Even it will act like a natural diffuser. When you add haze to the scene, the light will look diffused and it will create volume to the environment. Portable fog machine like this one create very thick fog, but it is not suitable for a bigger space. Also, when you add haze, it will reduce the contrast of your scene and it will create light beam. You can see the light behind me. It is creating a beam. Without the haze in the environment, it will not look the same. So if you want to achieve a dreamy and cinematic look, then you can use a hazer.